This tutorial gives you an overview how to make a diagnostic or also how to make general surveys with the Global Enterprise Management System of Strategic Frontend.com. If you are assigned by the administrator to make diagnostic and surveys, then you got your name and password, and then you can log in, and you will find that on your personalized dashboard, diagnostic is activated. So if you click on diagnostic, then actually I think you see all the diagnostic initiatives which you assign to. So let's go, for instance, to the corporate diagnostic kind of initiative. So you see the name, how critical the diagnostic project is, completion rate, and also I think the where it fits into the activity group, sector, region, product category. And also you see the team which is assigned and the project role, and you can always add new team members if you want out of a list, and assign them actually, I think, with roles, for instance, project monitors, so you can see the content but cannot change it. For this diagnostic, it was important to create a basic questionnaire, a survey. This is actually, I think, how this survey is structured: contact details, corporate profile, strategy, management, and so on. And if you want to have a look on the survey, it looks so like this. So you can see you can create quite extensive kind of surveys, which in the end is easily to fill out because it is so highly structured. If you want to add a new question, then actually I think so the general items you can do here, and then make create, and then if you've created, for instance, contact details, then actually I think you can click here, and then you will be asked what kind of questions do you want to have. We have a checkbox, as you see, with enormously rich possibilities designing surveys. And it looks like this. Here's the text. You could give an example. You could also make some help comment, have a keyword, and here you type specific parameters. Displays radio buttons. You could have also list drop down or check boxes for this kind of questions. And if you want to view how the question looks like, then you can do like this. So this is indeed a very easy to use survey engine where you can do, if you want, all kinds of surveys, not only diagnostic. The same thing is you can assign tasks to this diagnostic phase, and you are also able to monitor the different tasks here. And if you want to see what the status is, you can always look how far this questionnaire is already filled in, and also I think it gives you an overall about the status of the questionnaire. How many are completed, how many are aborted, how many started, and how many are missing. So you can immediately react to this kind of task in filling out this basic questionnaire. What is also, I think, important on the task side, for instance, here, making the basic questionnaire is indeed, if you see the start date, which you could assign like March 30th, and the end date like March 31st. You can save it, and I think what's important, you also could create a Google Calendar event so that your calendar is indeed synchronized with it. And if you go to your calendar, you will see that this event is created, and you can actually, I think, go from there and control the progress of this kind of corporate diagnostic initiatives. So this was a short overview how you can make a diagnostic happen or a survey happen, and we also demonstrated that the Global Enterprise Management System application of diagnostic is also a very powerful general survey tool. You can also use it for sourcing kind of questionnaires or customer questions and surveys if you want.